The budget mobile segment is flooded with devices. There are n number of tablets and phones available at a very attractive price point. However, there are very few devices that are dedicated to kids. Hi guys, this is Harshita from Gizbot, and here I am at the launch of CG Slate that has been dedicated to kids specifically. Well, the tablet is powered by Lenovo and the hardware is Lenovo's. CG is providing software and the services on the tablet. The tablet is priced for Rs 8,499 and it is available exclusively via Flipkart. However, the company is offering an early bird offer under which you can get a discount of Rs 1,000. So the tablet would cost you Rs 7,499 just in case you register at the earliest. Tablet with me, and I'll take you through the specifications of the tablet as well as what does it bring on table in terms of software. I'll also give you an idea about it. Starting with the specifications of the tablet, it comes with a 7-inch display. It is an IPS display giving you a 600p resolution. As far as the hardware is concerned, well, the tablet runs on 1.3 GHz quad-core chipset. That is paired with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. Well, the company says that the specifications are good enough to run the software that is loaded on the tablet. Speaking of software, well, this one comes with Android 4.4 KitKat version, which is quite an outdated version, but considering that this is meant for kids and it comes with CG Slate's very own software, I don't think the software would make a difference if I go by the company's promises. Speaking of the battery, well, this comes with 3650 mAh battery that should live for a day easily. Besides that, you get basic connectivity features. So there is a USB pin given here, and there is also an audio jack. There also are cameras, front-facing camera as well as rear-facing camera given here. But the camera specifications are not really very impressive or interesting. But then again, considering that it is meant specifically for kids and it brings content that is dedicated to kids, camera and other specifications do not really make much of a difference. Speaking of the software, well, the tablet is all about software. So when you launch it, it gives you a simple Android home screen. But actually there is a lot more in the tablet. So parents can make a profile on the tablet and then they can add their kids' profile in the tablet. So they can add 2 or more different kind of profiles, going up to 5 profiles at a time. For different kids, they can give different password. They can keep different kind of content in that. So it all depends on the age of the kid. So if, for instance, if your kid is in KG or if the kid is up to 3 years old, then there is a different category for that. You can create a profile for your kid in which he or she can use the content that is being kept for that particular kid's age segment. Besides that, kids can also get to play games on it. So not only can they actually educate themselves by using the application, which are very intuitive and very kid friendly, they can also be rewarded with game points which they can use to play games or to buy merchandise. They can select merchandise, which there is an array or there is a big range of stuff available there, and the company will will send a message to the parents, and then parents can make a purchase if they would want to. So that way it's very nice, it's intuitive. I really like the way they have provided content. Kids can also set their passwords, so that way they can also keep their profile very safe. Overall, the tablet looks nice for a kid. The tablet resolution, the hardware, it's not over the top, but at the same time it's not really very boring. I really like the device in terms of its specifications and the content. However, it all depends on the performance of the device, which we cannot really judge as of now until unless we use the tablet. Well, the tablet is priced for 8,500 rupees and it is available exclusively via Flipkart online. Well, the tablet has already been available through government institution. Actually, the company had tied up with different government agencies, but for masses, this will now go online via Flipkart. Stay connected for more tech news and updates. Until then, it's Harshita signing off.